You must be Devyatha.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Sorry? What are you sorry for? I'm Jinal, Rivan Bhaija's sister. Here, you look like you need this. It's just tea, don't worry. Good, right? Don't tell anyone, but I add extra sugar. Come on, breakfast is ready. Everyone's waiting.
Everyone, will they be angry if I come late?
No one's angry at you. You're family now.
Family.
And if anyone's mean to you, just tell me. I'll handle them. Ready to see the market?
Is it safe?
Come here, Devanti. This one looks good on you. Come on, we have to try that. It smells amazing.
You're just hungry again.
Devyati, what are you looking at? Jinan, why do their chests look so tidy, not moving around like mine? Oh, that's because they're wearing something called a bra. It holds everything in place so it doesn't move around.
Bra? What's that?
It's like a small top you wear underneath. It has cups and straps and it supports your chest so you feel comfortable when you walk or run.
Do I have one?
Probably. Badima would have prepared everything for you. You should ask your husband.
Ask him.
Who else? He's your husband. He can teach you everything.
Something wrong? Something wrong?
Patiji, I have a very important question to ask you.
Go ahead.
Why is your chest flat but mine is bulging and it swings around?
Because you're a girl and I'm a guy.
Then why do girls have to bulge? When I walk, they swing back and forth. It's so annoying. Can you make them stop swinging?
There's this thing called a bra. Wear it and they stop swinging.
Really? Do I have one?
Come on, I'll show you. Ne. Yashda prepared them.
How do you wear this?
Just put it on.
Like this?
No, stop. Let me teach you. Put your arm through here. Yes. Then fasten the hooks in the back.
Can't reach. Patiji, your heart is beating so fast.
It's hot.
It really doesn't swing anymore. Patiji is so amazing.
Next week, take Devina to Mumbai to attend a banquet.
Okay.
I wore a bro today. It really don't swing anymore.
You don't need to announce these things. I bet a month Bhabhi will say something even spicier.
I bet a year.
From now on, only tell me.
Only tell Patiji.
You look beautiful, like a queen.
I don't belong here. Everyone will know.
You belong with me. That's all that matters. Let them look.
Eyes on me. Ignore everyone else. Stay here. I'll be right back.
Okay. That girl over there, I just heard. She's Rivan Thakur's wife. They got married. His wife? That village girl? No, that should be me. No one takes what's mine.
Well, well. Look who wandered in from the village. Rivan Thakur's little wife. Oops. Didn't see you there, Mrs. Thakur. That's for breathing the same air as you. You think you deserve to be his wife? Let's see how pretty you look when you're ruined. This cheap fabric deserves to be torn, just like you. What are you doing? I don't even know you.
Now that's where you belong. On your knees. I'm gonna send this to everyone. Let's see if Rivan still wants damaged goods after seeing his wife like this.
Sir, your wife? Kashvi's men have her. They're at the Hawan Kund. She's in danger.
Rivan belongs to me, not you. Remember this face. It's the last thing you'll see before I destroy you and take what's mine. Jaiga. Please stop!
Let's see how beautiful you look after this. Maybe then Rivan will finally see who truly deserves him.
Rivan?